What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the content, all the videos, shorts, long videos, everything A to Z. So I've got something a bit different here. My first time reviewing on this channel or in life. Represent. So I've seen a lot of Represent Owners Club. I keep seeing it. I thought, you know what, it's time for me to pull the trigger. So I've got myself a Owners Club tracksuit. So this is like their normal stuff, Owners Club. This colorway is olive green. If you know me personally, you know I love an olive green tracksuit. I have so many olive green tracksuits, it's a joke. So we got the hoodie. It's a nice like boxy fit hoodie, with the kangaroo pocket, as they like to call it. Let's just show it properly in the camera. Yeah, nice boxy fit hoodie. The hoodie will just start off with, it's got this metal closure or pin, whatever you want to call it. I won't use that, I'll just keep it open. Nice size hood, quite big, quite decent. We've got the Represent R on the label, and then the other label that says made in Portugal. We've got the hang tag, so R Represent, which is basically their logo, and then their name. Inside there it just explains what it is. So Represent Owners Club hoodie, size large, olive jersey. And then just some information. If you want to read that, you can pause it and read it. It's also got cuff obviously on the end, and then a little metal bit which says Represent on the hood itself, which I really like. It's a nice little add-on. A lot of companies don't really do that. And then the main reason why I bought it, that big print on the back, Represent Owners Club, powered by enthusiasts for enthusiasts. That's just something I really like, prints on the back. And then of course the joggers to match, Represent Owners Club. They don't say exactly the same, so powered by enthusiasts for enthusiasts, but it does say Represent Owners Club. We've got standard cuffs, as you can see. I've tried it on already. Standard cuffs, these kind of remind me of the old school Nike cuffs. Very nice though. It's kind of a baggy fit, oversized fit jogger as well. On the back, two pockets remind me of the All Saints joggers. And then on the pocket, again matching the hoodie, we've got that Represent silver tab. Standard drawstring on that, and obviously the logo, label, etc. So we've got Represent in the size. So for sizing, I did go up. So XXL cotton olive Represent Owners Club sweatpant. So I did go up in the joggers. I'm usually like a large / extra large, so I kept it not large, double XL or an XL. I kept it double XL because the waist is quite small in my opinion. The legs and everything else is nice, good fit, but the waist is something that you have to watch, so I definitely recommend trying them on. Hoodie, large, standard fit. I kind of compared it to my Nike Tech Fleece sizes, and I ordered it off of that. Even though they're two completely different fits, that's kind of the closest fit for them. But yeah, I really do love this color. Such a nice tracksuit. 10/10 colorway, the olive. This bit, the Represent Owners Club, is kind of like a sail beige, whatever. I wouldn't mind that being in white, but I don't hate it in this color either. But yeah, let me know what you think of the Represent Owners Club. Let me know if you would buy, if you like it, if you hate it, if you rate it. Let me know if you want to see more Owners Club reviews, unboxings, whatever you want to call it. Don't really have too much more to say. Take care, my people.